This is sweet. Shit. Oh God. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's really been a while, yeah. And I'm back. We're still going to be looking at some crazy stuff this week. Starting with this Remy for if you're in Nigeria. In fact, if you're in Africa, you should know this. It comes with a head. So yes. So now let me quickly just break this down and move to the real thing. The real thing now. So this is the melody is 4, 5. So now, in order to play, I'm playing it on a different version, and it's cool to have, as the main player, it's beautiful to have you doing the octave. So you have. You see me? So. First chord, I'm playing F sharp, B flat, B, and E flat on my left, and on my right hand I'm playing F sharp, F, G, F sharp. So next one, which is your 5, I'm playing A flat, C sharp, E flat, and F. On my right hand I'm playing A flat, A flat, A flat, B flat. Sorry, what am I saying? A flat, D flat, E flat, and A flat. So now the major thing we want to look at is the movement they did. If you follow Logic Church, you notice that anytime they are building up after they do this stuff for a while, most of the times they switch to that stuff. So you hear something like. So you're hearing, you have the song now is eternal, 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 eternal. You get? So now doing that stuff is now sound like this. Eternal, 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 eternal. So now let me break everything down. See, God will bless this bass player, Leo Chizaram. God will bless that guy. Yeah? God. So, before I continue, yeah, I have my beginners course on Seller. I'll drop the link in the description so you can check it out. Amazing stuff. I saw a lot of you, some people complaining that they have issues, we want to learn all keys, some have issues with it. Everything is actually from the basics, and I have all those things in my beginner's course. Secondly, my volume 1 loop pack is still out on sales for 20,000 naira. Is it 20 or 25? I don't know. But you can check that out on the link, or then you could also email me. I'll drop my email also in the description. So you can check it out. And the volume 2 for this is going to be out soon. And the volume 2 is, let me just give you guys a sneak peek. The volume 2 is comprises of 10 different genres of music, particularly for church. Yeah, but not really for church per se. You can even use them in your events. You can even use them to do stuff. Yeah, so 10 different, and we have 5 loops for each of those genres of music. Yeah, so I want you guys to check to anticipate. And also the intermediate course. I saw a lot of you asking, Ubong, do you have intermediate chords? Now, my intermediate chords is not yet out. So, but then anticipate it's going to be dropping very soon, and just stay tuned. So let's get back to our lesson. On the key of F sharp, so we have this first chord. I already broke this down, right? Now the next movement, you're not still doing this. You're not doing that. You just go next one, next one. So what I do is, then the next one now. You know, first thing, this second one, this same thing. Next one is, so on your left hand you have E flat, F sharp, B, and C sharp. On your right hand you have F sharp, B, C sharp, and F sharp. So first thing, like I said, this, then the next one. Now this is this chord. Yes, but I'm playing it as rootless now, so because this is the root. So 3. So your bass player is doing 4, 5, 6, then 3. So the 3 now you have this chord. Your left hand you have G sharp, C, C sharp, and F. And then I did this movement. You see it. So let's go from the top. Now, here you have, I did this passing chord too. So now let me break it down. You just move chromatic backward. So same thing. G, B, C, and E. So the next chord now you go back to that chord. F sharp, E flat, F sharp, B flat, B, and E flat. So over your B major 7. So you get. So next chord, what I do now, from here you can just go to 1, which is your major 7th, or major 7th on your left hand. On your right hand you have your 5. So, but in order not to just make it boring, I can do. So you have. So now let me spell this chord out. So this is like, this is F, B flat, B, and E flat, and then you have this move. You have this. Your E. So you can do this. This is a bonus thing now. So drop 2. Let me break it again. Right. So you have. Yeah, so I forgot actually. So let's do it again. So let's try it again one more time and we're done. So now let me spell out what the bass player should do. So you have 4, 5. So you from here you can do, this is tritone substitution now. Instead of doing is you can do like 2 5 1. You get, instead of doing 2 5 1, you can do 2 flat 1, 2 flat 2 1. So let me do it again. Then or you can do still tritone substitution. Yeah, you can do, sorry, then so let's try this again for the last time. So so that is every for this. Please drop a comment if a lot of you don't like dropping comments. If this has been of great help to you, or this lesson or this channel, you know, it's helpful when you drop comment. You know, it's encouraging to we creators to, you know, let us know that you guys are seeing these stuff and you guys appreciate them. Yeah, so please, if this has been of great help to you, please drop comments, you know, like, share this post, you know. Make sure you apply these things in your church too, because these are cool, you know, great stuff. So this is everything for today. Please, like I said, make sure you check my beginner's course, check my look back, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share, and dash me money. So, yo, thank you so much. God bless you.